Now, how many of you, that if you were to compare your life with this $100 bill or this $100 bill, would think, which one represents your life? Have you ever been criticized, spit on, put down, beat up, kicked when you were down? Or are you a crisp, clean, perfect, no adversity $100 bill? Which one are you? Well, I think that if we went around the room, each one of you could tell a story as to why you might identify with this $100 bill. Now, how many of you would like this $100 bill? Why? Why? I mean, if I gave you a choice, would it matter? No, it wouldn't matter. But would you really take this? Right? Why? Why would you take this? Right, because Elaine says it's the same value. It is the same value. How much is this worth? $100 bills. If we took this to the dollar store, how many things could we buy? 100. And so often in our life, we tend to not give ourselves enough credit. That we think because of the things that have happened to us and the way that we feel about ourselves, that we're not worth as much as someone who hasn't had those things happen. If that is you, you're doing yourself a huge disservice because you are worth it. You are worth all of the happiness, all of the joy, all of the success, all of the great feelings that are available to anyone. Whether or not you've been spit on, put down, kicked when you're down, ripped, torn for whatever reason, you are still worth it. And you need to give yourself more credit. Now, I think a lot of us understand that intuitively. We can get that. But how do you actually give yourself more credit? Well,